Here we are on the interior of the Bavaria 33, listed with Berkshire Portsmouth. Just taking you down the starboard side. As you can see, this boat is immaculately looked after. Into the forepeak cabin, nice blue upholstery. Step down, there's actually good headroom in here. I'm 5'3" and there's another good foot above me. Notice the light wood and lots of big windows and hatches. We've got the galley and into the aft cabin, and back to the chart table with the heads on the starboard aft cabin. A nice little wet locker. And over to the nice wide companionway steps.